Hello, everyone. My name is Emma Barnes. I'm the teen librarian here at the Guilford Library. First, I just want to apologize for how hoarse my voice is. I'm just getting over a cold, and whenever I talk, it just kind of gets considerably worse, so I apologize ahead of time. But welcome to the summer reading program. I'm just going to give you guys a quick tutorial of how you can kind of navigate your way through the scavenger hunt map in case the instructions on the handout that you got when you signed up were just a little confusing. So on June 23rd, which is the first day of the actual summer reading program, you will get an email that looks similar to this. It's going to be from the Guilford Library Teen email, and it's going to be on Google Slides. So depending on what email you use, this is Yahoo, as you can see, so it might ask you to verify your email, which I think it might do if I click this. Let's see. So we're going to open this, and then so it's asking me just to verify my email. So I'm going to go back because they sent me a code. Let's see if I can find the code. Alright, so here's the verification code, and it's 685064, so 685064, and then I should be all set. Perfect. So this is a scavenger hunt map. You can see it's on 2 slides, and depending on how you want to view it, you can put it in slideshow mode, so it's the entire screen. Totally up to what you want to do. Just for the sake of this kind of tutorial, I'm just going to start with the first step here. So I'm going to get out of the slideshow mode, and I'm just going to click on the first footprint. And like I said in the instructions, every footprint is a location here in Guilford. So I'm going to click this and open it up. And this is just asking to autosave. You don't really need to worry about that. So this is stop 1. And then it says, welcome to the Teen Summer Reading Game. Your first clue is down below. Best of luck. So this is a riddle for our first stop, our first location. I happen to know, obviously, because I made it, what the first location is. So I'm going to write it down, and you see it says answers must be in all lowercase. So I know that it's Breakwater Books. So, oops, gotta spell books, right? So I am typing that in, and then I'm clicking next. So congratulations, you figured out your first stop. Now we're gonna visit Breakwater Books to find the Teen Summer Reading mascot by clicking the link below. And then when you find our mascot, you can click on him to earn your prize for the stop. So you don't need to worry about the submit button. You are clicking the link that says click here. So we're gonna click here. And this is us visiting Breakwater Books. And again, if you wanted to, you could put it in slideshow mode. Totally up to you guys how you want to do it. But in here, you're going to be looking for the mascot, which is that bear that there's a picture of it in your info packet when you signed up. So he's what you're looking for. So again, I know where he is just because I made this. He's right here, this little guy right here. So I'm going to click him. And it says, congratulations, you found our mascot. So we've earned 3 raffle tickets for this stop. And then I'm going to submit my first and last name and what prize bundle I want my raffle tickets to go towards in the field below. So my name is Emma Barnes, and I'm super into the craft bundle this year. So I'm going to put the craft bundle, and I'm going to spell it correctly. And if you guys wanted to, like if you're super into 2 of the bundles, you can do, like, you can write down, I want 2 of my tickets to go to the craft bundle, and I want 1 of my tickets to go to, like, the gaming bundle. It doesn't matter. So then I'm going to click submit, and I am all set with this stop. So this stop's done. So you can get rid of everything here if you want, and then go back to the map. And again, you can kind of navigate wherever you want to do it. So if I wanted to, I might, go to the next one and click this and kind of go to this stop. So it's totally up to you guys how you want to do it. There are opportunities here to earn free books as well, and if that's the case, on that last form, once you find the bear, where it asks for your name and what prize bundle you want your raffle tickets to go for, it's just going to ask for your name. So you're just put your name, click submit, and then all you're going to do is come up to the reference desk upstairs and just say, for example, if I won a book, I would have been like, hi, my name is Emma. I won a book at stop number 5. And then anyone at the reference desk will basically just check it off for me, just so I know that you already received your book, and then they'll point you to the cart that you can choose your books from. So basically you are doing what we just went through for every location. You're going to click on the footprint, solve the riddle, and then you're going to click that link to visit whatever stop it is, and then find the mascot, and then you click him, and then you'll earn your raffle tickets. If that is confusing at all, feel free to reach out, and I can definitely give you a tutorial here at the library. And I wish you guys the best of luck, and I hope you enjoy it this year. Thanks. Bye.